Apple TV Plus now available on Prime Video, new streaming partnership. Apple has partnered with Amazon to make Apple TV Plus available on Prime Video. Starting later this month, Prime Video subscribers would be able to enroll for Apple TV Plus from within the Amazon ecosystem. Under the new terms of the agreement, Apple would reach out to a broader audience to access award-winning content. According to Apple's SVP of Services, Eddie Q, "We want to make Apple TV Plus available to as many viewers as possible. This collaboration would give Prime members access to watch Apple TV Plus in addition to their existing Prime Video, all under one app. Apple TV Plus would be a paid add-on for Prime Video at $9.99 per month, just like the standalone Apple TV Plus subscription. Prime Video memberships range from $8.99 per month to $17.98 per month. The ad doesn't include distribution for Apple TV Plus, since the service is already available on most platforms that support Prime Video. The truth is that Apple TV Plus is available in the Apple TV app on smart TVs, set-top boxes, gaming consoles, and web platforms. Signing up for Apple TV Plus through Prime Video is seamless, especially for Android users. This spares the user from needing to switch between services, a dedicated app experience. The exclusive program runs the gamut on Apple TV Plus, including internationally acclaimed series and films. By partnering with Amazon, Apple could tap into Prime Video's vast subscriber base, which could potentially increase Apple TV Plus adoption.